If you're facing the error, your connection is not private in browser, but your internet is working fine on other devices like your smartphone or laptop, but not on this computer, then don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through a few troubleshooting methods to fix this issue. First, check if your date and time are set correctly, because sometimes an incorrect date and time can cause this error. To do that, right-click on the date and time in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. If Set Time automatically is turned off, toggle it on. This will automatically sync the correct date and time on your system. After that, close the settings window and check if this fixes the issue. If this method doesn't work, move on to the next one. Press Windows + R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Content tab, and under the Certificates section, click on Clear SSL State. This will clear outdated SSL certificate data that may be conflicting with your browser and can help fix the connection is not private error. If this method still doesn't work, then let's try the next one. Go to Windows Search, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if the user account control prompt appears to allow this app to make changes to your device. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig /flushdns and press Enter. This command will flush the DNS resolver cache and remove any outdated DNS records that might be causing the issue. After running the command, check if the connection is not private error is fixed. If the issue still persists, then move on to the next method. Remove any VPN software or unwanted Chrome extensions, because sometimes VPNs and browser extensions can interfere with secure connections and trigger this error. So open Google Chrome, click on the three dot icon in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Here, remove any VPN extensions or other extensions that you don't recognize. If you're not sure which extension is causing the issue, you can temporarily disable them one by one and test whether the problem is resolved. After that, click on the three dot icon again and go to Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Reset Settings, then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This action will reset certain Chrome settings, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. But don't worry, this will not remove your bookmarks, browsing history, or saved passwords. Click Reset Settings to continue. Once the reset is complete, check if this fixes the issue. If the problem still isn't resolved, then try the final method. Open Windows Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Then choose the network interface you're currently using, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click on it and check the network profile type. If it is set to public, change it to private. In my case, it is already set to private. If your network profile type is set to public, then change it to private. After that, scroll down and click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. If it's set to automatic, change it to manual from the drop-down menu. Then enable IPv4. For the preferred DNS, enter 8.8.8.8. This is Google DNS. And for the alternate DNS, enter 1.1.1.1. This is Cloudflare DNS. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. I hope one of these methods helps you fix the "your connection is not private" error on your Windows 11 or 10 system. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.